The piano keyboard is a musical instrument that is played by pressing down on keys that are arranged in a linear fashion. Each key corresponds to a specific pitch, and pressing a key causes a hammer to strike a string, producing a sound. The piano keyboard has 88 keys, which are divided into two main sections, the white keys and the black keys. The white keys are the longer keys and are made of a single piece of material. The black keys are shorter and are arranged in groups of 2 or 3. The black keys are used to play the sharps and flats in a given key signature. The keys on a piano are also numbered, with the leftmost key being designated as Key 1 and the rightmost key as Key 88. The piano keyboard is an important instrument in many different styles of music and is played by musicians all around the world. Hello and welcome to our new YouTube lesson video. We are excited to share this educational content with you and hope that it helps you learn and grow. So, sit back, relax, and let's get learning. Let's get started. The piano keyboard. White keys. Throughout this video, we will reinforce concepts with the help of a keyboard. As a musician, you will find keyboard skills essential, whatever your primary instrument. Because of the piano's great range and ability to sound several pitches simultaneously, keyboard skills allow you to play simple accompaniments, demonstrate musical ideas, and harmonize melodies. The white keys of the keyboard correspond to the 7 letters of the musical alphabet, as shown in figure. Immediately to the left of any group of 2 black keys is pitch class C. Immediately to the left of any 3 black keys is pitch class F. Middle C is often used as a reference point. It is the C closest to the middle of the piano keyboard. No black key appears between white keys E and F or between B and C. Now, let's talk about black keys. Black keys, flats and sharps. The black key pitches are named in relation to the white key pitches. The black key immediately above, to the right of, any white key gets the white note's name plus a sharp. As the figure shows, each group of 2 black keys is called C sharp and D sharp, and each group of 3 black keys is F sharp, G sharp, and A sharp. At the same time, the black key immediately below, to the left of, any white key gets the white note's name plus a flat. That means the group of 2 black keys can also be called D flat and E flat, and the 3 black keys, G flat, A flat, and B flat. Every black key therefore has 2 possible names, one with a sharp and one with a flat. The 2 names are enharmonic spellings. The sharp and flat symbols are called accidentals, although there is nothing accidental about them. A third common accidental, a natural cancels a sharp or flat. It returns the pitch to its natural state and white key location on the keyboard. Enharmonic equivalents. Enharmonic pitches, with the same sound but different names, B flat equals A sharp, belong to the same pitch class. Not all sharped or flatted pitches are black keys, however. If you raise an E or B to the closest possible note on the keyboard, you get a white key, not a black one. E sharp is a white key enharmonic with F, just as B sharp is white and enharmonic with C. On the flat side, C flat is enharmonic with B, and F flat is enharmonic with E. Find these pitches on a keyboard. Now let's practice. G flat is F sharp. B sharp is C. A sharp is B flat. D flat is C sharp. B is C flat. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you again for your support and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.